One of the ways DFW Airport supports the environment is to work with local universities studying the ancient climate of this area. Today we're working with Southern Methodist University to collect geologic samples of an unusual formation that occurs in this creek at the airport.
We have a unique opportunity here in Dallas-Fort Worth because we have some really important changes in life history going on. Rocks were laid down, the sea level around the earth rose, and many continental shelves and edges were flooded. In fact, North America was cut in two by a seaway at that time. So yes, in fact, we were underwater 100 million years ago. The volcanic ash fell across the ocean at the time. These were deposited and accumulated in layers, and those layers are filled in over with more sediment, so we can go to the creek bed like we're seeing and find these layers of ash, and when we do, those are very important for dating. And I should mention that there are many parts of the sedimentary rock record that don't have ashes in them.
Yellow orangish layer that you may be able to see in this video that shows the ancient volcanic ash.
But if we have a volcanic ash, like we can find around the Dallas-Fort Worth area and around the airport, then we have another tool, which is radiometric dating, where we can get a real number. Deposited in marine environment, and these bentonites were ash layers that were cast from a volcano and rained down onto the seafloor. So there are numerous ash layers that have been converted through while they were buried into these what we call bentonites now.
So there's thin volcanic ash layers here. That was a volcanic eruption. That was a volcanic eruption. Just ash. It's what they call bentonite. So it's weathered, it's changed chemical properties, and it gives it that waxiness. But the zircons that were originally in the eruption are still there because zircon crystals are so durable. So something carbon,
Yeah.
but I don't know, poop?
No.
See, but that feels heavy. That's pyrite.
Yeah.
That is pyrite.
Yeah, it is.
You want a scale? All right. Here. Is that fresh enough, or you want me to pull it back some more?
No, that was really good. if you could hold that up to here. We hope will give us some good dates on this outcrop, which has produced some very important fossils. The base of the Eagle Ford is going to be close to 95 million years old. It is a very important area where you can see both dinosaurs on one end of the airport and marine reptiles like plesiosaurs on the other. Plus, we have these unique ashes that are deposited in sediments that we can get to for dates.
By analyzing the ancient volcanic ash that occurs in the creek here at the airport, Southern Methodist University has been able to learn a little more about an interesting time in Earth's history.